Hello everyone, my name is Lorenzo Isay. I'm 27 years old from Cebu City. I stand for second chance for inspiring those people who think they're not good enough to start their fitness journey, or those who's not brave enough to start again. 2 years ago, after finishing up as a runner-up in a national pageant and in an international modeling competition, I thought my journey was over. I left Manila, lost my routine, and even struggled with my health. And then I remember the two most important women in my life, my mom and my lola. Even on the days that I doubted myself, they always believed in me. So I decided to start over again. But I told myself I'm done with competitions. Until last month. My lola passed away. And that changes everything. I realized that I need to be the person she always believed I could be. I inspire my family, and it's time to inspire other people. And la, para hindi mo la. And this is my Super Bad era. Thank you.